Okay, so we do this for a lot of our clients. Let me show you how to basically create a segment of people with an Amazon account, because if you take purchases from Amazon, they can be passed into your Klaviyo account. So we go list and segments. We go create segment on the right-hand corner. We go, I'm going to call this IB because that's the name of my agency. We do email and SMS marketing if you need help. And we go Amazon subscribers. And I say this, properties about somebody, email. Okay, look for the right one. Sometimes there's multiple. I'm just going to do both because there's two for some reason. We're just going to say properties, but really you're just looking for, in most cases, there's only going to be one email field, but if there's two, just use both. You're going to change this. Properties about someone, email contains the text, do it for both of these, contains the text, Amazon. Amazon. So in this case, we have one profile. But in some cases, you might have a bunch. Basically, you create that segment, and by creating that segment here, you will create a list of people who essentially have Amazon within their email address, which means it's been passed from Klaviyo into Amazon. Really simple.